and as usual, English class is the class of stories, wonderful stories. Yes, I hope you remember this sentence because I have repeated it so many times. हर बार मैं कहती हूँ, English class is the class of wonderful stories. Stories full of fun and stories full of beautiful lessons of life, right? So, can you remember one of the oldest stories which you have heard? जो तुमने सबसे पहले या बहुत पहले पहली कहानी सुनी हो. Have you ever thought about their titles? कि उनके नाम कैसे होते थे? Yes, there was one story which I remember like the thirsty crow. Thirsty crow, प्यासा कौवा. And there was another story, the clever rabbit and the foolish lion. एक चालाक खरगोश, clever rabbit and the foolish lion. और एक बेवकूफ सा शेर. Do you remember that? Yes, the thirsty crow, clever rabbit, foolish lion, greedy fox, lalchi lomdi. And we have also heard the story, the lazy rabbit and the laborious tortoise. याद है? Lazy rabbit, आलसी खरगोश और क्या? The very laborious, बहुत मेहनती, क्या? कछुआ, tortoise, है ना? ऐसी कहानियाँ हमने सुनी हैं. So, but can you see there is one very interesting point in it. In these stories, with the very title, we could identify the quality of the character. कहानी में कौन सा कैरेक्टर है और उसकी स्पेशल क्वालिटी क्या है? The very title used to tell us. Can you remember that? Just let's see again. Thirsty crow. So what is the quality of this crow? What is the quality of this character? Yes, it was thirsty. वो प्यासा था. And what was the next story? The clever rabbit and the foolish lion. So two characters in the story. One is clever, other is foolish. So these are the two qualities. And what was the other story? The greedy fox. So what is the quality of this fox? It was greedy. So yes, all these stories are full of characters which have one very special and one very strong quality. But besides, we all have very different qualities. Do we have or not? समझ में आ रहा है? बिल्कुल. इन कहानियों में जैसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, the way we have a fox, a lion, a rabbit, a crow, and we know about their quality. Just in the same way, you also have a quality, I also have a quality. And today we are going to have a very special lesson about nothing but qualities. सिर्फ गुण ही गुण, अच्छी क्वालिटी और कुछ क्वालिटीज़ ऐसी which we may not like, जो हमें पसंद तो नहीं है but we have them, पर वो हमारे अंदर होती है ना. For example, if you ask me, I am very lazy person. I am basically a very lazy person. मैं आलसी हूँ. I do not like and I try not to be lazy. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ that I should not be lazy. But this is also a quality. एक quality तो है. Whether it is a good quality or it is a bad quality, we all have qualities. And today we are going to have a very special lesson which adds to our personality. For example, I am standing before you. I am your teacher. So am I a good teacher or am I a bad teacher? So what is this word good and bad? These are my qualities. I can be a good teacher, so it adds to my personality. मेरे में ये जोड़ता है कि अच्छा, I am not just a teacher, I am a good teacher. और अगर तुम लोगों ने मुझे डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि no, she is a bad teacher, तो मेरी ये भी क्या होगा? Yes, it will also define my personality. ये भी मुझे डिफाइन करेगा कि oh no, I am not a good teacher, I am a bad teacher. Right? So every word, every quality adds something to our personality. एक छोटा सा खरगोश, which is fast, which is lazy, which is clever, which is greedy. तो ये greedy, fast, lazy और everything, ये सारी क्वालिटी क्या करती है? एक खरगोश को खरगोश बनाती है. And who is my clever rabbit in this class? तुम लोग मेरे clever rabbits हो. तो तुम ये बताओ, what are your qualities? सारे लोग सोचना शुरू करो. what are the qualities which you like about yourself and what are the qualities which you do not like about yourself. Because no matter what, today's class is all about qualities and qualities which adds to our personalities. बन गया ना rhyme? So beautiful. Qualities and qualities which adds to our personality. Add means जोड़ना. ये तो क्लास 1-2 से ये वर्ड सुन रहे हैं, है ना? ADD, add. So qualities and qualities which adds to our personalities, that's the very interesting lesson which I have here for you, and that is adjectives. अब याद आया? बिल्कुल. The lesson is adjectives. Adjectives. T-I-V-E-S, tives. Adjectives. Yes, adjectives. It's all about qualities. We have so many qualities around us. So, just remember, whenever you have to say what is an adjective, it is the quality which tells us something more about us, जो हमें हमारे बारे में कुछ और बताती है. And who are we? Yes, this is not just the class of stories, but we have stories to help us understand adjectives. Stories में कितनी सारी बातें होती है ना? It was a green tree. So it was a green tree. Can you see? Green tree. So what is the word tree? What is tree? Tree is the name of a thing, a living thing, है ना? So tree is the noun. And what kind of tree? Green tree, yellow tree, brown tree, white tree, dry tree, green tree. So what is the word tree here? Tree is the name of a person, place or thing. Which thing? Yes, whenever we see anything like this, we call it a tree. I hope you remember the noun. What is the noun? Name of anything. कुछ भी नजर आया, and if we have given a name to it, we call it noun. So tree is the noun. और ये tree कैसा है? Is it green or is it big tree, small tree? What kind of tree? Yellow tree, white tree, brown tree. So in our case, अभी तो ये green tree है. So what is the quality of this tree? That yes, the tree is green. So what is the word green here? The green is the adjective. Again, we started with an example. Lazy rabbit. So what is the word rabbit? Rabbit is the word noun. And what is the quality of this rabbit? Or I say, what is the quality of this noun? ये जो नया noun आ गया, इसकी quality क्या है? This is lazy. So which word is exactly the adjective? Adjective कौन सा word है? Lazy. What is the quality of this rabbit? That the rabbit is lazy. What is the quality of the crow? The crow is thirsty. What is my quality right now? I am hungry. Or am I a good teacher or a bad teacher? So if I say, let's see this example also. Good teacher. So what is the word teacher? Teacher is also the name of a person, है ना? A common name of a person. So teacher is the noun. And what is this quality? The quality is good. So we will call it good teacher. And of course you can call it also a bad teacher. You have all the rights to say so. But what is an adjective right now? अब adjective क्या है? याद करो. Quality. Quality adds to our personality. That's all we have with adjectives. Quality or quality. जैसी भी quality. That is adjective. यही पढ़ा था ना? Yes, this is what we call adjective. Now before we take some more example, you can see one beautiful picture before you. So yes, how do you feel with this picture? I feel so cool and so refreshing. Yes, this is always a pleasant sight. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत खुशी होती है. When we walk around a garden, when we see some beautiful flowers around us, and when we see the green grass. अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes, we all like that. So how we can describe this picture? What is the quality hidden here? कितनी qualities हैं? Yes, The flower, is it the rose flower or is it a lily flower? No, this is the गेंदा flower. और गेंदा flower को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Marigold. So how can we describe this picture? If you ask me, मैं तो बिल्कुल कहूँगी beautiful garden, yellow garden, bright garden, fresh garden, like this. And even the same way, I will say beautiful marigold, yellow marigold, bright marigold, refreshing marigold. So this is what we call about adjectives. So can we see it here? In the same picture, how many nouns do we have here? We have marigold, okay? We have grass and we have garden. And how many qualities did we observe in this picture? We observed yellow, fresh, beautiful, and what? Can we see a new word? Sunny. बिल्कुल धूप जैसा लगता है ना, धूप जैसा सुनहरा खिला हुआ. So this is how we can describe a beautiful picture with the help of the nouns and the adjectives. Adjectives means qualities and qualities. सारे गुण ही गुण यहाँ हैं. So can we make sentences now? Yellow marigold, fresh grass, beautiful garden, sunny garden, धूप से भरा हुआ marigold. So which words are exactly the adjectives? Adjectives कौन से हैं? The quality words. And what are they doing? They are defining the quality of marigold, grass or garden. We can have many more words. We can have fresh marigold. We can have fresh grass. We can use the word green, tall grass, small grass, soft grass, soft. Can we use that? Yes. So as many adjectives, as many ways we can describe the nouns. जो noun है उसको हम उतनी quality से describe कर सकते हैं. कर सकते हैं ना? Yes, we can do that. So this is what we call adjectives, the words which modify, which add something to the meaning of nouns or pronouns. अब इस marigold के बगल में अगर मैं लिख दूं it, so how can I say it? The garden was full of marigold. It was bright. It was sunny. It was so refreshing. It was yellow in color. कर सकते हैं ना? It लिखूं, they लिखूं. If there will be one flower I will be talking about, I will use the word it. And if there will be many flowers I will be talking about, I will use the word they. Right? Can I use it or not? That you know, noun and pronoun we have studied there. But now we are talking about adjectives. Adjectives means the words which add, कुछ जोड़ देते हैं. फूल तो फूल है, उसमें हमने कितनी चीज़ें जोड़ दी. सुंदर है, पीले रंग का है, खुशबूदार है, बिल्कुल धूप की तरह चमकता हुआ है. So we called it sunny, sunny marigold, beautiful marigold, fresh marigold, yellow marigold, orange marigold. जोड़ा ना? एक नाउन में कितनी सारी चीज़ें जोड़ दी. सिमिलरली ग्रास तो ग्रास है, घास तो घास है. हाउ मेनी क्वालिटीज़ कैन वी ऐड टू दिस नाउन? फ्रेश ग्रास, ग्रीन ग्रास, सॉफ्ट ग्रास. कर सकते हैं ड्राई ग्रास और वेट ग्रास, सूखी घास, गीली घास. Any word which adds to the meaning of the nouns that we call exactly what? Qualities, qualities, and that we call adjectives. नाउन में जितनी क्वालिटी जोड़ी जाए उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स. सो डिड वी गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट? द वर्ड्स विच एड टू द क्वालिटीज ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन, दोज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव्स. द वर्ड्स विच मॉडिफाई और एड समथिंग टू देयर मीनिंग, टू देयर क्वालिटीज, दैट्स वी कॉल एडजेक्टिव्स. Let's see once again another picture and see how adjectives are working. Oh yes, now how do you feel? Exactly, if this is summer season and you are watching this program, you must be feeling so cool and refreshing. अच्छा लग रहा होगा. But if this is the winter season and you are watching this program, you must be shivering. बिल्कुल कपकपी छूट रही होगी. Already it is too cold and you can see the picture of the hillside. एक पहाड़ का सीन है. So what is this picture? How will you describe this picture? How many adjectives, how many qualities are hidden there? Can you think of it? Yes. I hope you can think of some beautiful qualities. Blue, green, fresh, cool, pure, cloudy. So many words are there. Can we say this picture? Beautiful hills, blue sky, cloudy weather, beautiful green valley, soft grass, fresh rivers, pure water, streaming rivers. Can we say like this or not? Yes, these are all very simple expressions that come along with this picture. पूरे सेंटेंस में हम बोले या ना बोलें, पर पिक्चर को देखते ही लगता है कि yes, this is the beautiful hill where I want to go. So let's come up with this adjective and so many nouns hidden over there. Can we see here? So how many nouns were there? One noun was hill. Yes. Another noun was, I didn't hear you. Yes, there was valley, ghati. And another noun was river. And what more was there? Sky and air. Because what is noun? Noun is the name of anything. So hill, valley, river, sky, air, grass. These were the things that we saw in the picture. And what were the qualities? What were the qualities? It was cloudy. It was cool. It was green. It was fresh. It was pure. Can we say like that? इतनी सारी qualities तो एक बार में नजर आ रही थी. But we can have more and more vocabulary about it. For example, if I say streaming rivers look beautiful. Stream कहते हैं धारा को. You understand this word? S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Stream means धारा. So streaming river यानी बहती हुई नदी looked beautiful, बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी. Can we call like that? Yes, we can call it. So what will be the word streaming river? River is the word noun and what is its quality? That the river is streaming. नदी जो है वो बह रही है. So this word streaming will become an adjective. But let's come back to our simple and easy adjectives. So how can we describe the picture? The cloudy sky. आकाश कैसा था? क्या बिल्कुल साफ नजर आ रहा था? Was it a clear sky? No. If you could remember, clouds were there. Can we see this picture once again? Yes, now you remember this picture. Observe it carefully. How can we describe the sky? Is it clear or is it cloudy? Yes, it is cloudy or we can even call it misty. Mist means dhund or misty means dhund se bhara hua akash. So cloudy sky, misty sky, blue sky, cool sky, vast sky, refreshing sky. So many qualities which we can use with the noun sky. Then cool. What was cool there? ठंडी क्या थी? The cool, hill, valley, river, sky or air. Which adjective can be with cool? Yes, cool, air, cool, river. But more suitable adjective will be cool air. नहीं लगता है? ठंडी हवा बह रही थी, आकाश धुंध से भरा था. So the sky was cloudy. It was a cloudy sky. It was a misty sky. It was cool air, the green valley, the fresh air, the fresh water, pure river. बिल्कुल पवित्र नदियों से पूरा पिक्चर भरा हुआ था. So yes, again we have some more qualities. Whenever we see a picture, just look around. हमेशा अपने चारों तरफ देखो. You see this pen? What kind of pen is it? The point is orange. So can you call it? This is a good pen. So the word good is the adjective, pen is the noun. So what do you call it? This is a bangle, right? The round bangle, the glass bangle. So glass is adjective and then this is the quality. Anything, कोई चीज़ ऐसी नहीं होती है जो गुण से भरी ना हो. Even if you pick up a stone, एक पत्थर उठाओगे, so you can give a quality to it. पत्थर की भी quality होती है. It's a black stone. It's a white stone. It's a smooth stone. Smooth, the word smooth. Smooth means चिकना. ये चिकना पत्थर है. कहते हैं ना चिकना पत्थर गोल गोल इकट्ठा करते हैं खेलने के लिए. So it is a smooth stone. It is a rough stone. ये बड़ा खुरदुरा सा है. Rough stone. और क्या बोल सकते हैं? It is a heavy stone. बहुत भारी है. So heavy stone. Heavy is the adjective. Heavy is the quality. Stone is the noun. Light stone. Light means हल्का. रोशनी वाला light नहीं. Light means हल्का. हल्का stone. That is also a quality. Everything. So this task for you is pick up anything what you want to see. कोई भी चीज़ उठाओ. Your bag, your pencil, your box, your copy, anything. And everything has many qualities. बहुत qualities ही qualities मिलेंगी. So can you do this exercise right now? Okay, you can do it. But before that, let me take you to the another picture and let's discuss some more adjectives now. So what do we see in this picture? Yes, this could be probably your village scene, है ना? कभी कभी गांव में ऐसे घर होते हैं. So how can we describe this picture? The neat and clean village. कहीं भी गंदगी नजर आ रही है? Can you see any dirt over there? So this is not a dirty village. Dirty village, village is the word noun, dirty is the quality. So dirty village or clean village. Yes, this is a beautiful clean village. So how the people are? Yes, the people are rich people, poor people, simple people, high-fi people. Yes, these are simple people. So people is the noun and simple people means this is simple. The very word simple becomes the quality and quality is the adjective. The green village. Green village, you can see trees all around it. So what can we call it? Yes, village is the noun and green is the quality. Let's see the other picture. This is the vegetable market. So what is the quality of this brinjal? What is the quality of this capsicum? ये बैगन दिख रहा है, शिमला मिर्च दिख रही है. And what more can you see? Yes, we can see भिंडी that we call lady finger. Beans. Yes, this is our local bean. Same जिसको कहते हैं, but ये भी beans है. So what are its qualities? Good vegetables, nutritious vegetables, fresh vegetables, healthy vegetables. So vegetable यानी सब्जी, the word noun. And when we say healthy vegetable, so healthy becomes and quality becomes adjective. Purple vegetable. Which is the purple vegetable? The brinjal is the purple vegetable. So purple, the color, becomes the quality and that quality we call it adjective. Very simple. So there are some green vegetables. Green is the adjective. Purple vegetable. Purple is the adjective. And we also have red or we call it orange vegetable. Which one is the orange vegetable? Yes, that is the carrot. The healthy and fresh and good vegetable. Good carrot. So as all these words, healthy, good, fresh, these words are adjective. बिल्कुल adjective है. Just like some is lazy, some is active. So vegetables की भी अपनी अपनी qualities होती है. Can we see the another picture? Now here we will have some other kind of qualities. अभी तक सब कुछ कैसा लग रहा था? Fresh, beautiful and healthy and good qualities. So what kind of this places and what adjectives are hidden here? यहाँ कौन से adjectives छुपे हैं? Dirty, filthy, है ना? Broken hut. अगर मैं बोलूँ broken hut, टूटी हुई झोपड़ी. So what is the word broken here? झोपड़ी की quality क्या है? Broken, टूटी हुई. So the broken word is the adjective. Any word, dear children, which describes any type of quality, whether good or bad, that we call adjective. The broken boat, एक टूटी हुई नाव. The filthy river, गंदगी से भरी हुई नदी. The dirty water. So the word dirty, filthy, broken, poor, shabby, all these words are also adjectives because they also define, they also add to the meaning of the nouns. Hut, hut is a noun and what kind of hut? Broken hut. So broken is the adjective. Boat, boat is a noun. So what kind of word? What kind of boat? Broken boat. So broken becomes adjective. Water is a noun. What kind of water? Dirty water. So dirty becomes adjective. Dirty adjective हो जाता है. So what did we see with these pictures, and how will you define the word adjective? Adjectives are the words, they are nothing but the words. ये सिर्फ शब्द हैं. What kind of words? कैसे words हैं? Which add, जो जोड़ देते हैं. If I say, जो हर समय कुछ ना कुछ जोड़ देते हैं, चाहे वो हमारी नज़र में अच्छा हो या बुरा. Sometimes we feel good about it, sometimes we may not feel good about it. If someone calls us, yes, we are very smart, we feel good quality. Yes, this is a good quality. And if someone comes and tells us, no, you are not good, you are not intelligent, you are not smart, you are dull, then we feel, oh, this is not a good quality. But in the world of grammar, dull or smart, both the words are adjectives because they add, which add to the meaning of nouns or pronouns. Right? So, what is an adjective? Adjective is a word which tells us about the quality of the noun or pronoun, which adds to the meaning of the noun or pronoun, or in the words we can call it which modifies, जो change कर देता है, which modifies, it always adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. So, qualities, qualities, adjectives, adjectives, qualities, qualities, adds to the meaning, that is what we call adjectives. Qualities, qualities, which adds to the meaning, that we call adjectives. I hope you will remember this. For this much, thank you.